A very good morning to everyone present here. I am Soumya Shivaramakrishnan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Amet University. I welcome all our delegates for the first day of Virtual International Conference on Technological Advancements in Mechanical Engineering, ICTME 2021. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you know what you are doing, you will be successful. On this glorious day, we have gathered here for the inauguration of ICTME 2021, the event for showcasing the recent developments and innovations in the field of mechanical engineering, which is going to be the first step towards spreading knowledge for future research. Now we can start with invocation song Tamil Thai Varthi. Academy of Maritime Education and Training is the India's first maritime university. It is a pioneering university with membership in International Association of Maritime Universities, IAMU. The Director General of Shipping has accredited the university with A1 outstanding grade for the past 5 consecutive years for outstanding maritime and training, which is a rare distinction. The Department of Mechanical Engineering was established in the year 2014. The department offers BE Mechanical Engineering, ME Thermal and Fluid Engineering, and PhD program. Our mission is to provide mechanical engineering graduates with a high-quality engineering education and contribute new knowledge through research in mechanical engineering and allied disciplines through their effective learning process and scholarly work. The Virtual International Conference on Technological Advancements in Mechanical Engineering, ICTME 2021, aims to bring together the leading academic scientists, researchers, and research scholars to exchange and share their experiences and research results about all aspects of innovation in mechanical engineering. It also provides the premier forum for scientists, engineers, and practitioners to present their latest research ideas, developments, and applications in thermal, design, and manufacturing areas of mechanical engineering. The conference will bring together leading academic scientists, researchers, and scholars in all domains of interest from around the world. Now, I invite our beloved head of the department, Dr. R. Karthikeyan, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, Soumya. Very good morning to everyone present here. On behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, I am Dr. R. Karthikeyan, Professor and Head, would like to extend a very warm welcome to Honorable Vice Chancellor Colonel Dr. G. Thiruvasagam, Amet University, Chief Guest of today's event, Dr. Mohammed Mat Noor, University Malaysia Pahang, Guest of Honor, Dr. S. Kalai Chelvam, Professor, Head, Department of Allied Science and Technology, Anna University, Chennai, Dr. R. Parameswaran, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, BITS Belani, Hyderabad. Dr. V.P. Chandramohan, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Warangal. And Mr. P. Mahendra Kumar, Additional Chief Manager, Project and Business Development, NLC, India Limited. And I would like to welcome the Dean, Directors, Controller of Examination, Head of various departments, teaching and non-teaching staff members and participants to the virtual international conference on technological advancements in mechanical engineering, ICTAMI 2021, organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Amit University, Kanathur, Chennai. As you all know, Amit is well known for maritime studies. It is India's first maritime university for maritime related training, education, and research. Amit is thriving in this field for the past 2 decades and producing quality marine engineers and captains to the shipping industry. It is a NAAC accredited D Nova category deemed university, and it has 14 UG programs, 6 PG programs, 14 PhD programs, and 7 diploma programs in marine and other disciplines. It offers marine engineering, nautical science, naval architecture, GME, ETO, etc. In addition to it, it offers ASAT approved programs such as mechanical engineering, EEE, mining, petroleum, harbor and ocean, FTP, food processing technology as well. Currently, in Amit University, there are more than 3,000 students are pursuing various programs ranging from diploma to doctoral research. So far, Amit has trained more than 500 international students across the globe. The country like the Republic of Nigeria, Angola, and Djibouti have signed a long-term memorandum of understanding with Amit University to develop their human resources in maritime trading. Companies like AP Moller Maersk, Goodwood, NYK, and many more shipping giants are visiting Amit University frequently for campus placements. The Department of Mechanical Engineering is one among the prestigious schools of the Amit University. It was established in the year 2014 with a sanctioned intake of 120. It has a qualified faculty members, state-of-art laboratories, ICT-enabled classrooms, and skilled support staff. ICTAMI 2021 is organized with a great notion of summing up the technological advancements in the field of mechanical engineering. As everyone knows, the growth of nation depends on 2 major sectors such as agriculture and industry. Compared to agriculture, industry plays a major role in fixing country's economy. Globally, industries are moving towards Industry 4.0, which is a paradigm shift to the existing industry. It has to undergo all changes in all directions, right from inventory to the product. Keeping this in view, mechanical researchers are gearing up their research towards the fast changing need of the industry. More specifically, the research in the areas such as environment, materials, manufacturing, machine tools, design and modeling, rapid prototyping, etc. are growing in an exponential order. I hope this international conference ICTAMI 2021 will act as a remarkable platform to disclose your findings to all the areas of research falling under a great domain of mechanical engineering. This forum also helps the researchers to identify the methods and techniques employed for the research worldwide. It also helps them to clarify their doubt in the existing research as well. Also, I feel proud to be a part of this team in organizing such a wonderful platform for researchers to showcase their views and philosophy to the outside world. With this brief note of introduction, I once again welcome you all to the ICTAMI 2021. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you all again.
Thank you, sir, for your influential message. We are charmed by your sharp fluency. I take immense pleasure in requesting our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Colonel Dr. G. Thiruvasagam, the Sculpture of Individual Excellence, to deliver the presidential address.
Beloved and respected Dr. Karthikeyan, the organizer of this International Conference and head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Dr. Rajavel, the Director of the Department. The conveners of the conference, my colleague, Dr. Madesh, Dr. Leela Vinodan. Most respected, the chief guest of this international conference, who is going to inaugurate the event today, Dr. Muhammad Mat Noor, the University of Malaysia, Penang. Our beloved resource persons from esteemed institutions, Dr. Kalaiselvan, Dr. Parameswaran, and Dr. Chandra Mohan. Learned colleagues in the Department of Mechanical Engineering and colleagues of the other departments. Above all, respected participants from different institutions of India. Indeed, I take it as a honorable privilege given to me to be with you all on this occasion and to deliver the presidential address. As a matter of fact, I always advocate and appreciate the Department of Mechanical Engineering of Ahmed University for various valid reasons. The first and foremost is, it is one of the potential departments among all other departments. Especially Dr. Karthikeyan taken charge as the head of the department. I see why. We see a lot of positive, proactive changes in the functioning of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I have the feeling that Ahmed is very fortunate to have very resourceful faculty members, many of the resource faculty members of mechanical engineering. Indeed, they are helping the management, helping the vice chancellors in designing the programs and carrying out the activities, whatever we plan. I would like to take this opportunity to register my appreciation to all my colleagues of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, especially the leader of the department, Dr. Karthikeyan. Whatever we want today in terms of innovation, especially the outcome of research, I see such things are happening very well in the department. Not only that, application-wise and preparing students to become a skilled manpower, they are pioneer in the university. So I wish the same trend to be continued in future as well. The support of the management is always to them for their further progress and development. May not be with the academic, but also other related activities. Our friends, as a matter of fact, we are all basically suffering due to the present pandemic situation. On this occasion, I can very well mention, even to stress before the August gathering, that the entire world is indebted to maritime today, especially for the last 2 months. I don't know, it is going to be in future also. You may ask a question, maritime is there for several centuries. Why Vice Chancellor wants to give much importance and appreciation for maritime? Yes, now we live with the support of shipping industries. You know pretty well, there was no air transport between the countries. There is no internal even road transport within the countries. Whatever we enjoy in the form of goods and services, even the medicines and equipments, which are all life-saving, are being transported only through shipping industries. The students of Ahmed University so far sent out around 15,000 graduates. I can very proudly say, you can see at least minimum 3 Ahmedians in each ship of the ship which is sailing throughout the world at present. that much of contribution made by Amet University. And I am very proud that my student friends, alumni are working very hard, not only in the regular situation, even during this pandemic situation. I would like to salute them all for the good work what they have been doing. Now, you may ask a question, what way that information is relevant to the Department of Mechanical, that to the conference which is being organized under the banner of Mechanical Engineering. Learned professors are the resource person today. There are learned faculty as participants. Whatever mechanical engineering degree we offer at Amet University is totally different from the mechanical engineering degree which is being offered by even premier institutions like Anna University, IIT, etc., etc., etc. Obviously, the graduates of mechanical engineering, when they go out, they look for sometimes higher education, sometimes for research, and most of the time to work in various industries. But the graduates of the mechanical engineering of the Amet University, they immediately look for one more course, graduate mechanical engineering, 1 year course, graduate mechanical engineering. After getting qualified, Amet also offering the same program. After getting qualified, they will become seafarers automatically. Yes. To become a chief engineer in a ship, after completing +2, he has to or she has to undergo 4 years mechanical engineering degree. Instead of that, there is another way by which they can become a seafarer by completing mechanical engineering in Amet University, even other university as well, and come for a 1 year graduate mechanical engineering course. Automatically they are eligible to become a seafarer, and within the period of 7 to 8 years, they will become the chief engineer of ships. Such advantage is there. The curriculum, what we have in mechanical engineering, is totally almost more than 78% very much relevant to marine engineering. That's why we are very proud that we are the people, we are the supplier and human resource supplier to the marine industry, to the shipping industry, for which I should take this opportunity to thank. Actually, I have to thank, the people of, Department of Mechanical Engineering and others for working all the time to go for producing good graduates. I don't want to take much of your time, but except sharing one more information with you. Friends, in general, mechanical engineering is the subject or a domain which cannot be avoidable, which cannot be ignored forever. Yes, it is in Tamil, we call it as Abat Rakshakam. Today, I read it in the paper, 1 liter of petrol price crossed to 100 rupees even in Tamil Nadu. The entire country, even the world, is suffering due to non-availability of sufficient fuel and increasing of cost of the fuel as well. When it's the case, we wanted to have an alternative. That alternative should help us free from collision as well. Yes, there is an invention in the form of electrical vehicles. That electrical vehicle is very much popular nowadays, and it has been introduced even in India as well. It is in the street. It is the brainchild of, it is the product of, or it is the product made out of the contribution of mechanical engineers. Really, the entire world is indebted to mechanical engineer for their finding and for the alternative what they have suggested. So the days are not far away. We will be having a big revolution in the automobile industry, especially producing more electrical made vehicle, and by that way, the consumption requirement of fuel will be reduced and we will be come out from pollution. That is one of the reasons for the lot of major killing diseases as well. So likewise, there are a lot of innovation discoveries going on in the area of nanotechnology, in the area of 3D printing, in the area of internet, and many more as well. I don't want to take much of your time. I am requesting the participants, make use of the opportunity and listen the deliberations and wait for the outcome of the conference. I am very, very confident that the outcome of the conference will be much useful, not only to the conference participant, but also to the field of mechanical engineering in particular and industry in general. Once again, I would like to appreciate and compliment the conveners of all this workshop by inviting chief guests from University of Malaysia, by inviting resource persons from different reputed institutions, and giving opportunity for almost around 250 people to get benefit out of the conference. Wish the conference every success. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for explaining the importance of maritime education in this pandemic situation. It was very informative to know about the opportunities available for mechanical engineers in the marine industry as seafarers. And thank you very much, sir. Now, we have the release of conference proceedings. We, the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Ahmed University, feel extremely happy to release the proceedings of ICTAMI 2021.